Fire engine, fire engine. Hi, I'm Eep, and today I'm a firefighter. Have you ever pretended to be a firefighter? Are you brave? Are you strong? Do you help people in trouble? Do you like big trucks? Me too! I have all my gear ready in case of an emergency. I have my helmet, my jacket, and my big red fire engine. Do you hear that sound? That sound means someone needs our help. Come on, let's go! Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Ee-oh, ee-oh, it's an emergency. Ee-oh, ee-oh, my cat's stuck in that tree. Red lights, blue lights, go up and down. Lights on the fire truck go around and around. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Honk, 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 move out of the way. Honk, 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 we've got to save the day. There's a fire in the town, so we've got to move fast. Fire truck is coming through, let that fire engine pass. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Ee-oh, ee-oh, it's an emergency. Ee-oh, ee-oh, my cat's stuck in that tree. Red lights, blue lights, go up and down. Lights on the fire truck go around and around. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Fire engine, red as a beet. Fire engine, racing down the street. Whew, that was quite a day. Firefighter Eep here. What's the emergency?
Eep, it's Mary. My cat is missing again, and Jack can't find his cat either.
Uh-oh. Did you check the trees? Did you hear that? Mary, hold on a second. Mary, looks like your cats wanted to ride in my fire engine. Don't worry, I'll bring them back. So, looks like you two like my fire engine as much as I do. Okay, fire cats. Want me to put on the lights? Okay, here we go. Let's make a pizza.
Oh, hi! I'm here with my friend Mary.
And I'm here with my friend Baba. Welcome to our pizza restaurant.
We love pizza. It's our favorite food.
Come on, we'll show you how we make it. Let's make a pizza.
Roll out the dough.
Toss it up high.
Stretch it out slow.
Slow, slow. Spread on tomato sauce.
Sprinkle on cheese.
Put on some pepperoni.
Cook it in the oven, then eat. I like to eat pizza, how about you? Pizza for breakfast and dinner too. Runny red sauce and cheesy goo. Grab a big slice and chew, chew, chew. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Yum, yum, yum. Let's make a pizza. Let's make a pizza.
Mary?
Yes?
We ate all of the pizza, and now there's no pizza left for our customers.
Well, there's only one way to solve this problem.
What's that?
Let's make another pizza!
Yeah!
Counting 1 to 10.
Wow, gardening sure is a lot of work.
But it's easier when I have friends like you to help me. Thanks, Jack.
You're welcome, Mary. But you sure have been growing a lot of fruits and vegetables lately.
I have been planning for the garden party tonight. I need 10 of everything.
Wait, 10? That is a lot.
Not just 10 either. 10 tomatoes, 10 peppers, 10 strawberries, 10 carrots,
Whoa,
10
whoa, whoa, whoa,
blueberries.
yikes! Slow down. How are we gonna count that high? What if we skip a number? What if we lose track?
Don't worry. We have a tool that's perfect for counting.
We do?
Of course, our fingers.
Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. 1 to 10 and 10 to 1 and do it all again. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10.
Let's do this.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, there's more. 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10.
This is easy.
Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. 1 to 10 and 10 to 1 and do it all again. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, there's more. 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 10. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10.
Now these.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. 1 to 10 and 10 to 1 and do it all again. Counting, counting, counting 1 to 10. Counting 1 to 10. Counting 1 to 10.
Wow, that was fun. But I still have these strawberries left. Can we count these too?
Sure, but this time let's eat while we count. All that singing made me hungry.
Me too.
Do you have a garden? Growing your own food is super fun and delicious. All you need is some dirt, water, and some seeds.
And your fingers
Your fingers.
to count all the yummy foods you grow.
Oh, bye. Have fun playing in your garden.
The Subway Shake.
Oh, hi! Are you waiting for the train too? One of my favorite parts about coming to the city is riding on the subway. Ooh, it sounds like it's coming now. But be sure to step away from the train until it comes to a complete stop. It's the A train. Come on.
Jack, what a nice surprise!
Mary, where are you headed?
To the library. What about you?
To the zoo.
Ooh, fun.
I can't wait to ride the zoo train. But my favorite train is the subway. Can you believe that we get to zoom through the tunnels under the street?
Plus, did you know that when more people ride subways, it keeps the air clean?
Yes, just hold on tight. Listen to that sound.
Boom chicka, boom chicka.
Zoom chicka, zoom chicka. Say, does the subway ever make you want to dance?
Boom chicka boom chicka boom boom boom. Boom chicka boom chicka zoom zoom zoom. Boom chicka boom chicka shake shake shake. Boom chicka boom chicka quake quake quake. Boom chicka rumble and roll the subway shake. Here we go. Under the sidewalk, boom boom boom. Down in the tunnel, zoom zoom zoom. Step in the subway, shake shake shake. Hold those handrails, quake quake quake. Ride down train tracks, rumble and roll the subway shake. Go go go. Here it comes, the subway shake. Here we go. Boom chicka boom boom boom. Boom chicka zoom zoom zoom. Boom chicka shake shake shake. Boom chicka quake quake quake. Boom chicka rumble and roll the subway shake. Here we go. Here comes the B train, boom boom boom. Here comes the 3 train, zoom zoom zoom. Here comes the Q train, shake shake shake. Here comes the 2 train, quake quake quake. Boom chicka rumble and roll the subway shake. Go go go. Here it comes, the subway shake. Here we go. Boom chicka boom boom boom. Boom chicka zoom zoom zoom. Boom chicka shake shake shake. Boom chicka quake quake quake. Boom chicka rumble and roll the subway shake. Here we go. Rumble and roll the subway shake. Go go go. Here it comes, the subway shake. Here we go.
Whoa!
Well, this is my stop.
Have fun at the library.
Okay. Wait, could we dance the subway shake again sometime?
Of course. Bye, Mary.
Bye, Jack.
Do you ever wish you could ride the subway all day long? But even if you can't, you can always do the subway shake. Rumble and roll, rumble and whoa! Be sure to hold on tight. Bye.
Fooba Wooba.
Hi, Super Jack here. Did you know you have a superpower? We all do. It's called the power of imagination. And that just means using your brain to think about something that's not really there. If you've ever played pretend, you've used your imagination. It's super fun. Will you imagine with me? Awesome. Let's think of an animal. How about a dog? Whoa! Now, let's really use our imaginations. What if the dog was blue? Awesome! With red polka dots. What? And wings. Bye, doggy. Would you like to have more fun with your imagination? Awesome! Let's sing a song and imagine more animals doing the silliest things we can think of.
Fooba wooba, fooba wooba.
Saw a snail chase a whale.
Fooba wooba, fooba wooba.
Saw a snail chase a whale.
Fooba wooba John.
Saw a snail chase a whale all around the water pail. Hey John, oh John,
Fooba wooba Woopa John. Woopa woopa foopa woopa, foopa woopa foopa woopa.
Saw a frog chase a dog.
Woopa woopa foopa woopa,
Saw a frog chase a dog.
Woopa woopa John.
Saw a frog chase a dog sitting on a hollow log. Hey John, oh John,
Woopa woopa John. Woopa woopa foopa woopa, woopa woopa foopa woopa.
saw a flea kick a tree.
Woopa woopa foopa woopa,
Saw a flea kick a tree.
Woopa woopa John.
Saw a flea kick a tree in the middle of the sea. Hey John, oh John,
Woopa woopa John.
That was fun! What other funny animals can you imagine?
Woopa woopa foopa woopa,
heard a cow say meow.
Woopa woopa foopa woopa,
Heard a cow say meow.
Woopa woopa John.
Heard a cow say meow. Then I heard it say bow wow. Hey John, oh John,
Woopa woopa John.
hey John, oh John.
Woopa woopa John. Woopa woopa John.
Wow! You have a great imagination. Thanks for sharing it with me. Before I go, could you help me imagine one more thing? Cool! Thanks! Alright, help me imagine that I am a cartoon character! Whoa! Well, I guess we're out of here. Keep imagining. Bye!
Six in the bed. Baba, do you have any sixes?
Yes.
Eep! You win!
I win? I win!
See, I told you sleepovers were fun.
Is this your first ever sleepover?
Yeah, I guess so.
You're going to love it. Sleepovers at Mary's house are the best.
Okay, I've got extra pillows. Oh, perfect. I'm so sleepy. Well, it looks like it's time for bed.
Okay, so it's a little tight, but can you believe all 6 of us fit? Actually, why is it that little Mary has such a big bed?
I guess I'll grow into it, right? Sweet dreams, everybody.
I don't think I'm sleepy yet. Anyone want to play one more game?
Oh, it's okay, Eep. I know it can be kind of hard to go to sleep when you're not in your own bed.
I guess it is kind of different.
Maybe a bedtime song would help.
Ooh, do you know the one about 6 kids all in one bed?
There were 6 in the bed, and the little one said,
roll over, roll over.
so they all rolled over, and one fell out. There were 5 in the bed, and the little one said,
Roll over, roll over.
so they all rolled over, and one fell out. Roll over, roll over, roll in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over and one fell out. There was one in the bed, and the little one said, good night, good night, good night.
Now that's fast asleep.
He looks so peaceful.
So, where do we sleep now? I don't want to wake him up.
Mary, do you have any sleeping bags?
Of course. I know it can be hard to sleep when you're not in your own bedroom.
But it's nothing a good song won't fix.
Or a good story.
Or good friends.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Sleep tight.